Hello Casey and Chad, I was just wondering if any of your animals are homophobic, and if they were, what would you do?
Cheeches.
Cheeches, yeah. Most certainly.
Oh my god. Hi YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. I'm literally so excited because I'm getting ready to do Babe's makeup. We're gonna do a drag look and we're going for Trixie Mattel. Have you ever done this before?
Put makeup on me one other time.
But I don't think I put that much, did I?
No, not that much.
I didn't do it wasn't like a heavy makeup. I've done drag makeup a few times. I mean, I'm no expert, but you know, I think I can get close to the look. So we gotta start with the glue. Okay, so whenever they do it, they really get it on there. They get it wet. See it, I got it really on there. You think I should do more for real? That wasn't enough? I thought I did a lot. Honestly, it's gonna be hard to make these eyebrows go away. You look so upset, babe.
It's because you glued my eyebrows in place, Casey. I can't, if I have a look on my face, it's because my eyebrows are glued in place.
You look like you're mad.
Because you glued my eyebrows that way.
That's part of what you're supposed to, no, it's not you seem mad. Babe, you have to respect the process, please. Okay, so, let me see, this eyebrow, okay, it's I feel like it's about as flat as I can get it. Now I need to try to just make the eyebrows disappear. I don't have a lot. I usually have more concealer, but all of my makeup was old and I threw a bunch of it away. So I only have this one concealer, but I think it'll work. What if I just shave off your eyebrows?
No.
Hi Queen Eye Chad. Casey, I hope you will tuck that tight in his body.
Yeah. Yeah. Babe.
I sucked it in already like a turtle.
God, they just won't go away. It's fine, it's fine. It's fine. You want the wig? Oh, they want to put the wig cap on now. Okay. God, you have such a big head. Here, you put it on yourself. I can't. With this big old head. Honestly, any time I'm ever maybe I do want to have children, I just look at Joshua's big ass head and I'm like, no. Honestly, is that gonna squeeze your head? You're supposed to tuck your hair up into it, babe.
Well, I don't wear wigs,
I know.
so
This is the Tarte Shape Tape cloud coverage. I like it. I do. I like it.
yeah, glob it on.
Oh, I forgot to put on a primer. Oh well.
It's a primer.
It's just a base. I don't think you need it.
Like when you paint a wall.
I actually have this the spray one. Close your eyes. I think I just sorry. Are you gonna release your feminine energy?
Yes.
What to you is feminine energy?
Compassionate, nurturing, seductive, fierce.
Oh my god, the eyebrows are back. Chad looks like he's being held hostage.
It's true. There's a man in a green suit behind me. You can't see him because he's chroma keyed out. He's also holding a bright green gun.
Yeah, I think this is slightly better, but it's still just hard because they're so thick. I even washed my hands.
Wow. You went above and beyond.
I was I'll wash my hands.
You go the extra mile.
Yeah,
Thank you.
before I did your makeup, I was I'll wash
you.
my hands. So don't
So
worry,
kind
my
of you.
hands are clean. I think that the eyebrow issue is pretty common. A lot of drag queens shave off their eyebrows or they thin them a lot. Do we have face paint? Yeah, I have some. Actually, this might actually work really well. I have this white face paint for the clown. This is gonna be perfect. Wait, she does. Okay, this actually is not supposed to be white. This is gonna be such a scuffed Trixie Mattel, but I don't have all the drag makeup stuff.
How's it come in? Still very encouraging.
No, I think it's gonna really come together. I think people are laughing now because it looks really funny now. But it's kind of the process of drag makeup. It just like, it looks really funny until the end. Yeah, it's coming together. Like, I think I'm getting this shape right.
Oh yeah, I'm looking good.
Gosh, drag queens like just go through makeup. They really do. They go through makeup.
Oh, I bet.
Oh gosh, it's so expensive being a drag queen, actually. It's actually so expensive. So I'm gonna do the eyebrow now, and then we can do the eye. Okay, like, okay. I think that I need to kind of clean it up a little. Shut up, you guys. The eyebrows look fine. The elf look fine. I should have just done the Trixie Mattel filter on a picture of you. That would have made it easier. They laugh now. But I think like with like some filters, it'll look real good. Honestly, what do you guys think so far? It's kind of coming together, right? It's kind of coming together, isn't it? Just wait until I get like 8 layers of eyeliner filled in.
I am sorry, but why does it look like Chad is getting pink eye? Like, does he not look like he's getting an allergic reaction from the
No,
makeup?
he's fine. He's fine. He's fine. I don't know. I think it's giving Trixie. You guys act like it's not. I think it is.
The animals don't know what a drag queen is. They're freaking out because they think you adopted a new raccoon.
I wish.
Wouldn't that be something?
Oh my gosh. I want a raccoon. It's my dream. Babe!
We at Mattel Inc. would like to remind everyone that we are not associated with Trixie Mattel or whatever is going on over here.
Good. Then we can't get sued.
Are you having fun with it, babe?
I'm just happy to be here.
We might have to do a bit of a tit contour. Up there. That maybe that didn't really. It. Oh wow, babe. Oh, you're really he's kind of pulling it off. Honestly, you kind of remind me, like, it's kind of giving Alaska Thunderfuck, to be honest. Hey, big boy.
So anyway, just the other day, I was walking down by the beach, and this guy comes up to me, and he says, "Hey, honey, you look hot." And I said, "Listen here, buddy, go fuck yourself."